So what's going to be the price of Bitcoin in February? So let's have a look at a predictive analysis. Okay, let's have a look at the possible price of Bitcoin, in February 2025. So what we're going to be doing today is the market analysis and the price prediction of the Bitcoin market. So I want you to pay good attention, okay? And if you watch this video to the end of it, okay, you are going to learn so much from it. Trust me, all right? And if you gain some value from it, and leave a comment below. Don't just watch and just pass by like that, okay? Please leave a comment below and tell me that, oh, I got value from this tutorial. I enjoyed this tutorial. I got value from the technical analysis, from the predictive analysis of the market. Okay, so today we are not going to spend so much time in trying to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so we are not here to reinvent the wheel. We are going to be using, existing predictive models, existing predictive tools to analyze the market, and have a good level of prediction in the market today. Okay, so I want you to also know that an analyst is not a god. Okay, an analyst is not a general overseer that could accurately see the future. Okay, but what we do basically is that we use the past data, the past market history, the past pattern, to have an idea of what the market is going to be doing. Okay, and what could be the likely price point for the market in a specific month. All right, so we're going to be combining a wide range of tools, okay, to achieve this. So the first one we're going to be looking at is what the AI says. All right. So the AI said that, um, 9 different AI models were questioned about the possible price of Bitcoin in February. Okay. And these are the results that they have so far. So we have the ChatGPT was questioned about it. We have the ChatGPT version 01. We have XGrok version 2. We have Anthropic Cloud. We have Mistral AIs. We have Replica AI, ChatGPT 4.0. We have Copilot is also by Microsoft. We have the Pi AI. And this is a summary of what they said. Okay. So I'm not the one that actually questioned them. Okay. It was questioned by an authority news media platform, popularly known as this. Okay. Popularly known as newsbitcoin.com. All right. So I'm going to make reference to them. So the question AI using the same prompts, they use the same prompt all through. And if you want, you can also go to the website and copy these prompts, and prompt all of these AI models one after the other. But I cannot believe that it will be difficult for an individual right now to have access to the premium version of all of these AI models. Okay, except we are extensively uh, deep into AI, or probably use AI for your work extensively. All right. So since they've done that for us, okay, and look at what they said. So these guys were prompted in, I think, last year, if my memory can serve me correctly, December 28th of last year. Okay, that's about a month ago. So this is what they said one after the other. ChatGPT said that Bitcoin will actually go to around $105,000 before, by February. ChatGPT 01 said it's going to go to $125,000 by February. X, based on surveys of what people are saying across Twitter platform or X platform, it said that it's going to hit $200,000 by February. Okay, so as predicted by Anthropic Cloud, which is one of the most powerful AI today. Okay, it says it's going to reach, I think, $155,000. Okay, then Mistral AI says that it's going to get to maybe very close to maybe $120,000 before there's going to be, you know. So we have Replica AI. It says the same thing, pretty much the same thing with Mistral. Okay, if you look that closely, then if you look at ChatGPT 4.0, which is one of the latest version of ChatGPT, it says that the price level is going to go to $130,000 by February 15th. So Copilot said that it's going to get to, I think, 110, 105 range dollar, by this period. Then Pi said it's going to get to $115,000 by February. So if you look at these AI models, and ChatGPT or Mistral, Replica, co-pilots, they have the answers are quite close. Okay, 4 different AI models have a very close answers. Okay, so and if you look at that closely, okay, I think they form the majority, based on a closed range. So, but if you look at the markets, let's have a look at what the market is saying. This is the Bitcoin market right now. Okay, I don't know. Based on technically, okay, we are kind of around a range where we are probably uh in the market stop. Okay, and the chart pretty much looks like this. If you look at the price factor, for those of you that loves to use historical reference in your analysis, maybe I should even try a different chart, a different platform. Okay, because this chart is not actually neat as I want it to to look like. Okay, this looks better. So if you look at the price, if you look at the price history right now, okay, you observe a similar pattern here when we had a double top probably in 2021 stroke 2022. All right. So what himself is happening right now, okay, and you have a double top. If you look at your chart right now, then you see that this is a double top that formed right here. Then if you come here again, okay, is there a possibility of a double top, okay, at this level? Okay, at this level, okay, maybe you could have, of course, you know, um, before Feb, as at this present moment, this AI model that says that price is going to get to this price level, I think around 110. Okay, I think Bitcoin got 110,000. Okay, or very close to that. Okay, approximately that level. Okay, so even if the price crashes back as a result of the double top, maybe the market has actually gotten to the top of the cycle. Okay, then the 4 AI models that predicted the same range, they are right. Okay, and this was the top of 2024. Okay, will this be the top of 2025? Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know, but it doesn't seem like Bitcoin is done with its pump at the moment. All right, so but obviously this is something you should be wary of. Like, is this actually the market top? All right. So as analysts, you want to keep close. You want to keep your eyes close to this. Okay, would that be a break of this resistance? Because obviously Bitcoin was not really able to break this resistance level because it was rejected. All right. So the question now is it going to be able to break down this resistance level this time around? All right. So only time is going to tell. All right. So if he's able to break it down, then it's there is a likelihood that the prediction of Grox, okay, Grox, prediction of Anthropo Claude, okay, and the prediction of ChatGPT O1, it is likely that prediction of this either of these 3 models is going to become a reality in the market if we have a breakout of this resistance level. Okay, but this resistance level seems to be strong. If you are a good student of the market and you have a background, a firm background in technical analysis, then you observe that okay, the likelihood that this resistance level is going to be broken is quite low because the Bitcoin has actually enjoyed a huge level of perform all the way from $28,000 up to this point. Okay, so and there's going to be a point whereby the market just have to shed some load. That is how it works basically. Okay, and technical speaking, okay, you can have the market going back to 65,000 thereabouts. It will not really be like 6 months now. It might even be a year from now. It could be like a year, 2 years from now. Very possible technically. All right. So, looking at this, will this AI be right? Of course, I think 4 of them are right at the moment. Okay. And if you look at the time when they made that prediction, it was December. Okay, December 28th of December. Let me check that out. This is 19, this is 28 exactly. Okay, around this point. And the market was probably around $95,000. Okay, it means that all the AI models were actually correct. Okay, because no one of them actually have any prediction that is lower than $100,000 per Bitcoin. None of them. I get it now. So I'm not really saying that you should be using AI for every of your analysis. I'm not saying that. Okay, or you should be using maybe ChatGPT, XGrok, and I'm not really saying that. But it seems that this AI have access to much data than human being have access to at the moment, and it's not going to be a bad thing, okay, to keep track. I don't say you use those data right now, but it's not going to be a bad thing to keep track of what AIs are saying about the market, probably, every 2 months, every 60 days, you can have a look at what the AI is saying about the market. You know, if you're able to track, in fact, personally, I would like to even track this data. Okay, if you're able to track this data for like a couple of months, probably a year, 2 years, then we can now say or reach a conclusion that we've gotten to a stage in the financial market where the public, the mainstream AI models have the capacity to predict, what is going to happen in the market with a certain level of accuracy. All right. So it may not really be 100% level of accuracy. It could be an accuracy level of 80%, 70% accuracy level of prediction in the market. It could be 90%. It depends on whatever data we're able to gather from now prior to the end of the year. Okay. So please do not be misled. Okay. And some of the AIs will even tell you that whatever output they're giving to you is actually not a financial advice. Okay. So I think there is a platform that I would like us to check. Um, I think it shows. I forgot the name of that platform. Is it Coin Glass? Is it Coin Glass? Something something. I think it is this one. Was it Coin Glass? Yeah, I think it was Coin Glass. But let me check the monthly. Yeah, the monthly returns. Okay, if we switch Coin Glass to monthly returns for Bitcoin, what exactly are we going to get? Okay, so and February in the history of Bitcoin has always been a good month, in Bitcoin history. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for over 10 years, out of all the Februarys of the years, it was only 2 years that have a red price. Like, it was only 2 years that was brutal for Bitcoin. Do you get it now? Only 2 months was bitter, was crazy for Bitcoin. And if you look at those months closely, the Bitcoin actually closed bullish in January, then February was red. The other one, it closed bullish in January, the next month was red. Are you getting it now? So, and some of the months where it closed bearish, February was actually good for Bitcoin. So if you take a good look at the market, probably at the end of the month, if you go here and switch to a monthly chart, let me go and switch to the monthly chart right now to have a look at what I'm talking about. So this is the monthly data. Okay, this is the monthly candles for Bitcoin. So if you have a candle that close like bullish, okay, so any moment from next month there could be a bearish moment for Bitcoin. Okay, even if there is that bearish moment for Bitcoin, the AI's predictions has actually come to pass. Okay, that is the conclusion. Okay, the AI predictions has actually every of the predictions of all the AI models actually came to prediction because all of them predicted the price above $100,000. Okay, so and right now, as I'm making the video right now, we have the price at $105,000 per Bitcoin. So that is pretty much all I have to show you today. That's pretty much all I have to teach you today. I hope you got some value from this analysis, okay? And I hope that it's going to make a lot of difference in your trading journey or your trading career. However, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, okay? That's going to be pretty much appreciated for you, by me, okay? So, and also share with your friends, tell your friends that you're getting some value on Click on the channel. Share with them and let them know. Okay, share on Facebook, share on WhatsApp, share on TikTok, yeah, share on Telegram, Discord, Slack, share with them on X platform, share with them, Instagram, share with them. Okay, let them know that you're actually getting some value from this point. Okay, refer them because if you actually share this channel with them and they come right here to get some value, they are never going to forget about you ever. Okay, that's one thing you should know. So have a lovely day and bye for now.